If you're spending thousands of dollars frequently pumping out your grease trap or lift station, keep watching for an alternative. Today, let's talk about Line Bac'r, a biological drain maintainer designed to tackle heavy buildup and remove foul smells in drain lines, grease traps, and lift stations. Let's start with the basics. What is Line Bac'r? Line Bac'r is a powerful combination of 7 specific bacillus bacteria that produce enzymes to quickly break down fats, oils, and greases. This provides a food source for the billions of bacteria to multiply. These bacteria grow fast, doubling every 20 minutes, digesting proteins, carbohydrates, and cellulase as they grow. Lastly, the formula will neutralize foul smells utilizing the SC500 odor neutralizer and replace them with a morning fresh fragrance. Who is Line Bac'r a good fit for? Line Bac'r's powerful composition is best suited for those with heavy buildup that need a strong solution. It's commonly used in schools, universities, office buildings, restaurants, and healthcare facilities. This chemical is designed to deal with 2 problems at once: odors and buildup. If you've got both problems, Line Bac'r may be a great fit for you. Who is Line Bac'r not a good fit for? Before buying, be sure to consider that Line Bac'r's all biological makeup will not work well in drain lines that see various changes in pH and temperature. Also, if there are non-organic items causing your drain blockages, like wipes or cotton products, using a biological product like Line Bac'r may not be the best choice. When and why do I need Line Bac'r? If you're paying thousands and thousands of dollars for frequent grease trap or lift station pump outs, it may be time to think about chemical maintenance, which can significantly slow down the rate at which you need pump outs. You don't want your facility's lift station or grease trap to keep draining your wallet, so it may be time to consider chemical treatment with a strong biological product like Line Bac'r for better flowing and better smelling drain lines. How do I use Line Bac'r? Line Bac'r is designed to be used with the state 24/7 automated drain maintenance pump. Simply hook up the pump to inject directly into the grease trap or lift station, or let your state chemical representative handle the setup and go about your day worry-free. How much does Line Bac'r cost? The average program agreement for a grease trap, which includes Line Bac'r, state's automated pump, installation, and service, will most likely fall between this range, but the price will vary depending on the size of the trap and severity of the problem. How do I buy Line Bac'r? Purchasing Line Bac'r is simple. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in contact with a representative. To learn more, check out our website's Learning Center, and soon enough, you'll be flushing your cleanliness issues down the drain.